Used to be Jaws ride around here. And it's, that's all gone now. It's all changed. The bar. The only thing that's left to the Jaws ride is this shop. And over at the back there you can see Simpson's Men in Black. And the Back to the Future train and the DeLorean's outside of it. Train from Back to the Future 2 or 3, whichever one it is, just double check it. Back to the Future 3. It's the original one from the film, and here we have the DeLorean. Pretty cool. And as you can see now, we're going into Springfield. This is Simpson's line. Then here you got Bumblebee Man's Tacos, Lard Lad Donuts. Here you have Krusty Burger, Duff Beer, Andy with Chief Wiggum, Jedediah Springfield. And this area there's only 2 rides in this bit. There's the Simpsons ride itself and the Swirl and Hill Saucers. Now here you got Moe's Tavern, Cletus Chicken Shack. Here you got the drunk Duff Symbols. Oh, quickie one. There you got Duffman, and over there, if we can get him, you've got the Simpsons, Marge, Homer, Bart and Lisa. That's a t-shirt for me. Oh, a Duff Beer, I could do with one of them.
Just coming in for some aircon.
It's another hot day today. Homer, Bart, and Maggie. Let my Maggie Lisa.